Hey, and welcome to Alpha. In this video we will run one of our favorite robots. This robot is free also to use. And in this video I think we'll go back to the cryptocurrency robot. So let's take the number 4 on the list. So let's start that one up. We just push run. We go over to the broker. You choose which broker you want to use. I think it's like 3 or 4 you can choose from. These brokers, you need $250 to get started, but the robot in itself is completely free to use. So now let's see. Now you're just waiting for a trade to occur. Typically he trade he trade Bitcoin. Okay, cool. That's the one we have the best success rate on also. So he did put a buy option, okay, and the trade will go till 50. Let's see if I can understand this. When he end the trade. Okay, 54, so in around 6 minutes we will be done with the trade. Okay, so like I said, I have been using this time around. I lost only one trade, but the same day I made two trades after, so I get 2 winners, so that turned a small profit. I have only been using the number 4, number 3, and I did actually use the number 2 yesterday. So, but I will try to keep it simple, just to use this time around. I will only use the robots you see on the list there. And I have not even seen the news. When you run the cryptocurrency robots, you don't need to think so much about the news actually. It's more just to run it wherever you want to actually. But about if you want to run the another cryptocurrencies, just the number 4 and number 1. The rest of the robots, check the news first, because if it's big news, might not be the best time to be trading. Wait till after the news. Also, my rules are as following: if I get a winner, I stop for the day, and if I get 3 losers in a day, I stop also. Now let's see how we are doing with our trade. We are at the current moment out of the money, completely okay. I believe that we are pretty low with Bitcoin right now. This I say because I have been following Bitcoin a little the last few days, and we go down to like 41,000 and we jump up to like 43,000, and now we are in the lower rate where we have been hovering around. Of course, now it's a very small time frame. You're just talking about minutes, so but it's still 5 minutes. I think that should be more than enough to reach above this level. But yes, I would feel more comfortable if this was a short trade, but let's see. Much can happen in just 5 minutes actually, so let's wait and see. But yes, we are in a downtrend right now. Let's see if we can turn this around and get above, or might this be the number 2 times we lose in this time around. I did grow the account from $250, that was the minimum to deposit, and have grown it up to like 1,700. This I like, see? Wow, we are shooting up, Now we got a little closer to our target. This I like. One more like this now and we are golden. But let's wait and see. But it's completely okay. We will take a little longer if we lose, of course. Then our profit will not be as big as if we had won the first time around, but we still have, let me see, 4 minutes left, so we have a lot of time to reach above this green line you see up here. We need to be above this green line you see up there. That's more like we need to be above that level for us to make money. So let's follow and see. We just need a little more. Come on, push. Yes, there we are in the money. Cool. Now let's see if we can continue up from here. Like I said in the start, this robot is actually completely free. You can connect it to like 3 or 4 different type of brokers. That is, you can work with this robot, and it's all 100% automatic. One thing I like to follow and just take one trade, but you can push run button, but I will not do that because basically use 10% on each trade with this robot. So if you do that, you can very fast lose your account because you basically need 2 winners to recover 1 loss. Yes, the win rate is high, but if you, for example, turn it on and you just go to the beach or whatever, it's a huge possibility that your account is in minus when you come home. Not minus, but in 0 at least. Well, no, never been minus, but that's the thing. With a rare opportunity, yes, I have forgot to turn it off sometimes. Actually, I have not turned it off now. I should. Let's there. I like to turn it off because so I don't forget it, because I have forgot it in the past. I have been lucky the times I've done it, but that's pure luck actually, and I don't like to do that. I also have one time when I did run all 10 robots at the same time, and I think I got like 8 winners, 2 losers and 8 winners that day. That was around another time I did from $1,000, and I did go all the way up to 90,000. I got 3 losers in a row, and I came down to like 64,000. So I have had my trial for this before, but this time around I got cold feet, and I did withdraw the 64,000. But this time around I'm going to go for the 100,000, and maybe, just maybe, I will see how I feel, but maybe I'll take it farther, because when you reach 100,000, we are earning for example, now we are trading Bitcoin, and Bitcoin was like 70%. So if I had win this one with 100,000, would be like $7,000. It's crazy. And now I don't like this so much. We are below the level. That's not good. We have a very short time left. We only have like 1 minute-ish left. So we need to push. Come on, go up. Yes, go more. No, we need the higher. Looks like we might lose this one. Then we need to take 2 more trades. Let's see if we can. Come on. There you see the ending, and we need to above this line there. If not, it's a loser. And looks like we have a loser in our hand. Yes, we lost. Okay. That means we need to take 2 more trades. Super boring, but nothing we can do. Let's take this time, let's take this one. And we take Risma Cross. Now we need to wait for 2 trades. Then we need to be doing this for more 2 minutes. There, both are in. We can follow the Litecoin. So let me see, Litecoin. Let's go back here, and we stop this too, like that. And the thing is here, this balance do not change. You need to log in and out for it. I don't know if it's something with cookies or whatever it is, but for me this one don't change. But it's good to see, because then we can follow here, because change here of course. So then we can follow this. Now you can see we have 1,219. So basically we need a higher amount. So that means we are making money. So let's see now. We are in both, and we are done in 6 minutes. So you need to wait more 6 minutes for this to be done. But it's good also. This is actually the number 2 times I have lost a trade. So 2 times we lost the trade now, but I guess this time around will be the same like the other time, that we will have 2 winners after. The profit will be a little smaller. We will actually calculate the profit after. But let's wait and see. We need to wait more 6-ish minutes and we are done. The first time around I did the play around and I made my own. I had my own robot, this MACD you see there. And that did work very good for me actually. But I was thinking, it's not fair. I need to use the robots that you can use also. It's better because then you see what I'm using, you can see what I'm doing. I did not check the news now, I just did turn on the number 2 bot. Normally I should have checked the news, I did not do. But let's hope we got lucky, because I don't like to be playing with luck, but we never know. So let's wait and see. Now let's see if both are in the money. Both are still in the money. That's good. We have more 4 minutes left. So let's see. So yeah, I have nothing but good things to tell about BinBotPro. I know there might be many that are losing money with BinBotPro, but that's not BinBotPro's fault. That's more that they don't follow the rules correctly. Plus, you need to have money management. You need to. And I do everything live. And you see me lose, but you see how I'm trading. Like if these 2 now get to be losers, I stop them. I stop for the day. Quite easy. Actually, I think I will have a new rule also. 3 losers in a day, not 3 in a row, but 3 losers in a row. Not 3 losers in a day, I will stop now. That will be my new rule, because it's difficult to make money. Because if you have 3 losers, you basically need 5 winners just to go in 0. So I think that will be a new rule for me now, that I will follow myself also. So, but let's see. We are getting close to be done. It's 3 minutes left. Both are still in the money. That's super cool. So I will bring up my calculator. I always like to, I have my cell phone, but we don't go around with calculators in 2022. I don't even know if people, maybe in schools you still, of course you need to have calculators. If you have a cell phone, that will be little too advanced and it's too easy to be cheating. So I guess in school you still need calculators, but in real life, I don't think people are playing with calculators more. So let's see. And now it's basically just 2 more minutes. Let's see if we are both is still in the money. They are. Yeah, 2 minutes left. So this looks good. So what I will do, I will take the amount we see here, because this is the amount we started with. So let's take minus 1,740. We call this 42. We call this 42. And then let's go here. Now actually we are out. We're out and in of the money here now. This I don't like. We have been in the money all along and now we go out of the money. This was not good. Let's hope we push down. Now we are in the money. Perfect. Let's keep it that way. It's just 1 minute left. So if you can just stay this way for 1 more minute, then we have done good today. Let's wait and see. Yes, we are deeper in the money. Perfect. So now we are even deeper. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh, now looks pretty good. Now we are just like 20 seconds left. Now we deserve to win. Let's now, you see the amount up there now says 1,219. So now let's see what this number will be when these two trades are done. Any second now should be done. There we see the line we need to cross. You see it there. When we reach this line, then we are done. So now we just need to stay in the money till that end, and we are done. Now let's see. Oh, we are so close. Then I'm super happy. We did good once again. One loser, but we got two winners. Now let's see. Now let's see what the amount in the top says after. And just like that, now we have 1,794. So let's take that. 1,900 and let's go back here because this will not change. 1,742. 1,794. We made $52. I'm happy with that. Let's just log in and out here, and now you'll see this balance will change also. Let's go in again. And there. So yeah, we made a total of, I think it was $52. Perfect. And there you see how it is. I don't get only winners, but it's just to stay with the rules, and we did well. So once again, we made money with BinBotPro.